Hi, family and friends. It's Tuesday. Today, we're going to be telling the truth about critical illness insurance. A cancer diagnosis or a heart attack or any unforeseen health crisis could leave you unable to earn income. And this is going to add stress, is going to financial stress, as well as emotional stress. Unfortunately, your mortgage and your rent, everything like that, as far as your monthly expenses, will still need to be paid, right? They won't just stop because we're going through this situation or we experience a health crisis. With critical illness insurance, it's a policy that will pay out a benefit as a lump sum if you're diagnosed with a critical illness or a condition that's specified in the policy. And this is going to help relieve or lessen the financial strain that could come with a critical illness. So you can focus on just getting better and getting healthy. You don't have to worry about the stress of your health and your finances as well. So this is something that has hit our family as well, as far as like with cancer, heart attack, and stroke. And it is financially draining, and it is really hard, to get through times like that, especially when we know that we still have to maintain life, right? 48% of foreclosures are due to a critical illness, as well as 1 in 2 men will experience cancer in their life. So 1 in 2 men will get cancer, and 1 out of 3 women will get cancer in their lifetime. And just as far as with the American stats, it says 8.5 million Americans will suffer a heart attack just this year. So we definitely want to just be aware of this. And if you have family, especially that depend on you, your income, consider going ahead and protecting yourself so they don't have to, experience that pain, heartache as well, because it's really hard. It's really hard. Now, how does critical illness insurance work? Critical illness, it requires you to make periodic premium payments to keep the policy in force. So every policy is a little different, but critical illness policies may offer payouts ranging from $10,000 all the way up to $1 million. The policy itself is going to specify what conditions are covered. And typically these coverages are going to be cancer, heart attack, and stroke. Some policies may even cover heart disease, kidney failure, organ transplant, paralysis, and other conditions. So just kind of depending on what area you're looking to cover, just do reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help you with that. And also, another thing that you want to make sure is that you keep your contract in force, and make sure that if you contract the cover condition while the policy is in force, the insurance company will pay you the face amount of the policy. Typically, it's going to be in one lump sum payment, which is generally tax-free as well. So that is something that you want to also keep in mind. If you know it's in your family history, say like your mother had cancer, your father had cancer, or you just know it's in your family history for strokes or heart attacks, you definitely want to go ahead and get covered for yourself, because man, sometimes it does come back around, and sometimes it may be genetic, or it may be genetically the foods that we eat. I mean, it could be a number of things. Either way, you want to make sure that you're covered, and you want to make sure that your family's protected. You don't want to fall into a situation where you're going to have to be financially burdened about the bills and trying to take care of yourself and get yourself back into good health. Thank you so much for joining me today. And hopefully this information was beneficial to you. And even if it's not something for you, you can please pass on that information, because you never know who you'll help. So thank you so much. You guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys next Tuesday.